Yesterday, here in the UK, we had quite a big storm. Now cats, generally speaking, aren't big fans of these and often seek safety under a bed or somewhere similar. Maine Coons though, as we know, can be a little bit unusual, and this was Mona's first big storm in our house that she'd experienced. What would she think of it? So do Maine Coons like thunderstorms? Mona, do you like thunderstorms? You're not sure? Certainly ruining quite a lot. I'm not sure about it, are you? Also, you've stolen my seat. I was sitting there, Mona. I got up to get the camera and you stole my seat. Why is that? Don't go to sleep. Mona? Mona, it's my seat. Mona doesn't care about thunderstorms, I think. Do you like thunderstorms, Mona? I don't think you're that bothered. That was lightning. Did you get what? Did you get wet?
Oh no!
Mona, you're sitting on my laptop. You don't care, do you? Is that nice and warm? You don't care about thunderstorms at all, do you, Mona? I think in this particular case it was pretty apparent that Mona wasn't bothered about thunder whatsoever. However, she is quite a relaxed cat, as you can see, and how comfortable they are can depend a lot on their initial socialisation period. So, our Maine Coon was fine. Do yours like thunderstorms? Do let us know in the comments below, and if you like these videos then please do also consider subscribing. Cheers.